Hi everyone, welcome to Power BI Playbook. So today I'm going to show you how to remove decimals in Power BI Tooltip percentages, and this is to keep the consistency with the data label. So let's see how we can do that. So to check this, I add the pie chart in this one. So for the legend, I add countries and then sum of sale values. So as you can see, this percentage also showing 2783, and then if you hover it, it also shows 27.83. So I want to get rid of these decimals. So let's see how we can do that. So first thing I do is I select the visual and go here, and then in the detail label in the values, so value decimal places. So this I set it to 0, and percentage decimal value also I set it to 0. So that's the first thing I do, right? Then it will change the data label percentage value like this. But if you the tooltip value, the percentage value shows 27.83. The decimal places won't get removed with that option. So let's see the workaround for that. So for that, first I create a new column here, right? Call percentage, and then to get the percentage of each line or each row, I first use divide function and then divide the column value, right? And then denominator would be the total sales. For that, I use the calculator function, and then the sheet. What I want to calculate is sum of the sales. So this is to get the total sales, right? And then when it comes to filter, I want to use all the rows. All I use the function, so then it will not all function will not filter anything. So filter and then sheet. So which returns all the rows, right? So this will give the percentage. So if I show you here, yeah, so then here I want to change the format to percentage and with having 0 decimal places. So as you can see, each and every row compared to the total sales, the percentage will come out of this formula. Now I need to create another page called tooltip page. So for that, I add a table, right? And I add uh, country and then sales value and then the percentage, right? And this page, the page property, I need to set this page as a tooltip page, right? So that also I need to do that. Now I go back to page one and then click this one, and then in the tooltips, I need to set the page as page number 2, right? I change the page. Now if you hover, right? So as you can see now, the percentage will come as 28, not as 27.83. So this is the hack that we can do in order to change these values. And if you can format this more to make it more beautified, but this is the hack that we can use to keep the data label and the tooltip formatting more consistent. Thank you for watching, and please join for more Power BI videos.